22 divided by 11. Okay, remember that the first is last and the last is first when putting it in the division box. But you still say 22 divided by 11 even when you're doing the division box. Okay, remember that the divisor is the horse. And like the cowgirl horse analogy, for this one, when you're using the horizontal division, you can also, and not the fraction line, you can also imagine it as a stagecoach. And the 11 is the horse, and it's going in the right direction, not the wrong direction. The right direction is like left to right, so it's going to the right. So therefore, the 11 is the horse, and the 22 is the cargo or the stagecoach. Okay, when it gets to its destination, the division box, the warehouse, you put the cargo where? On the outside or on the inside? You put the cargo on the inside to store it for a while the horse is outside eating its food, drinking its water, and getting ready for its next voyage somewhere else. So it stays outside of the warehouse while the cargo is on the inside. Now that we know 11 is the divisor, we use the times tables by looking at the 11s, starting at that very first number 11, and use that to go to the dividend answer of 22. And so we're looking, we get to 22. Now we want the quotient. Remember, we would also use this for long division if we were looking for something that was close to that number but not over. And then we find that close one, and then we go all the way up to find the partial quotient. But in this case, this is a division fact, so we have the exact quotient, the exact answer. And remember, if the answer is a single digit, which it is, it's the answer 2, where do we put it? We put it over the ones place since it's a single digit. So 11 doesn't go into 2 of the tens place, okay? But 11 does go into the tens and the ones place. 11 goes into 22. So then the 2 is going to be over the ones place. We use a place value mat, we put it over that, and we put the 2 over the 2 in the ones place of the dividend in the division box. Okay, and it's important that you do this, that you put it here this way, or you will confuse yourself and maybe accidentally put a 0 and not get the correct answer. Okay, but the answer is 2. And please make sure you show your work like this for every single problem. You will have a video for every single slide, but you do not have to watch all those videos once you have mastered the pattern. But please make sure that you show your work like I did with the line that goes from the 11 of the 11s all the way to the dividend that you're looking for, up to the top to find the quotient, and then place the quotient correctly over the ones place if it's a single digit, and over the tens and ones place if it's a double digit. And make sure you follow this information and instruction for each slide. Thank you.